what's up? Welcome back to Anomalous Coffee Machine. Today we're doing Cup of Burger. You know, like the jobs I work at, Burger King. My god. That looks good. But that also is a lot of grease. That can kill someone. It's savory, juicy, and rich the second it touches my tongue. Feels like a full burst of flavor, hearty and bold. The warmth lingers, a mix of salt and richness that's deeply satisfying. Tastes like pure comfort, familiar and filling. My body relaxes like I've had something truly satisfying. And like I've said the past 2 episodes, 1 cup ain't gonna do anything, 2 cups is actually gonna do something. We're not gonna cover the 2 cups until after I cover the single cups in order. But yeah. That is Cup of Burger. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the next video. Bye-bye.